Presenting the CleanWorx Buggy Washer from Sani-Matic. Applications: for automated cleaning of stainless steel dump buggies used in the meat, poultry, produce, and baking industries. The CleanWorx Buggy Washer is an all-electric automated washing solution capable of cleaning approximately 20 buggies per hour. Designed for simple operation, soiled buggies are loaded onto the clamshell door and locked in place. The locking brackets can be adjusted to accommodate various buggy styles, making it versatile in your production process. Once loaded, the operator exits the clamshell and closes the safety gate. Proximity sensors on the safety gate door engage to allow operation of the washer. An operator can choose from 3 programmed wash cycles and 2 rinse cycles. Once the wash and rinse cycles have been set, the operator can press the start button at either the main control panel or the remote pendant to start the washer. Buggies are cleaned using an electrically powered rotating spray bar manifold with dedicated lines for washing and rinsing the inside and outside of the buggy. Automated valves and heaters ensure that the washer operates consistently at the specified temperature. When the wash cycle is done, the clamshell door will automatically open and an alarm will sound. The operator can then open the safety gate and remove the clean buggy. The CleanWorx Buggy Washer is equipped with a 16-gallon sump strainer that captures any large soils left in your buggy. This allows you to run for longer durations before needing to empty the strainer. The Digital Process Recorder, or DPR, can be added as an accessory to the buggy washer to meet regulatory data reporting requirements, making capture of critical cleaning cycle information automated and easy to access. The data, including temperature and chemical conductivity, is continuously collected and sent to the cloud, where it can be accessed via a secure online portal. Additional efficiency features like text email notifications allow your buggy washer and process operators to run more efficiently and effectively. Utilize the CleanWorx Buggy Washer to reduce cleaning labor, reduce water and chemical usage, reduce cleaning time, get back to production faster, achieve verifiable and effective cleaning, capture cleaning data and monitor safety efficiencies with Sani-Trend Cloud Reporting. Contact us today.